Welcome back to CarWow 787, where we delve deep into the world of big rigs, diesel power, and the machines that keep our roads alive. If you're a trucker, fleet owner, or diesel enthusiast, you've found the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Today, we're focusing on one of the most prominent engines in the heavy-duty trucking industry, the Cummins HX15. Known for its power, efficiency, and reliability, the HX15 has become a staple in many fleets across North America and beyond. Let's start by exploring the origins and development of the Cummins HX15. Introduced as a successor to the HX15, the HX15 was designed to meet the evolving demands of the trucking industry, including stricter emissions regulations and the need for improved fuel efficiency without compromising performance. The HX15 comes in several variants, including the Efficiency Series, Performance Series, and Productivity Series, each tailored to specific applications. The Efficiency Series focuses on maximizing fuel economy, making it ideal for long-haul operations. The Performance Series delivers higher horsepower and torque for demanding applications, while the Productivity Series offers a balance between power and efficiency for vocational and regional haul operations. Under the hood, the HX15 boasts a 14.9-liter inline-six configuration. Depending on the variant, it delivers between 400 to 605 horsepower and torque ranging from 1,450 to 2,050 pound-feet. This range allows operators to select the engine that best fits their specific needs, whether it's hauling heavy loads across the country or navigating urban delivery routes. One of the standout features of the HX15 is its advanced fuel system. Utilizing the XPI Extreme Pressure Injection Fuel System, the engine achieves precise fuel delivery, resulting in better combustion, reduced emissions, and improved fuel economy. This system operates at pressures up to 2,500 bars, ensuring optimal performance under various operating conditions. The HX15 also incorporates a robust aftertreatment system to meet stringent emission standards. This includes a diesel particulate filter (DPF), selective catalytic reduction (SCR) system, and a diesel oxidation catalyst (DOC). Together, these components work seamlessly to reduce nitrogen oxides and particulate matter, ensuring compliance with EPA and CARB regulations. Maintenance and serviceability are crucial factors for fleet operators. The HX15 addresses this with extended maintenance intervals, reducing downtime and operating costs. For instance, oil change intervals can extend up to 75,000 miles under ideal conditions, and the engine's design allows for easier access to components, simplifying routine maintenance tasks. Another notable aspect is the engine's integration with digital tools. Cummins offers connected diagnostics and connected advisor services, providing real-time engine monitoring and proactive maintenance recommendations. These tools enable fleet managers to make informed decisions, enhancing uptime and operational efficiency. In terms of durability, the HX15 is built to last. With a B10 life of 1 million miles, 90% of these engines are expected to reach this milestone without requiring a major overhaul. This longevity is attributed to high-quality materials, precision engineering, and rigorous testing during the development phase. Driver experience is also a key consideration. The HX15 delivers smooth and responsive power delivery, making it easier for drivers to handle various terrains and load conditions. The engine's design minimizes noise and vibration, contributing to a more comfortable driving environment. Fuel efficiency remains a top priority for many operators. The HX15's advanced combustion technology, combined with features like downspeeding and optimized gearing, allows for significant fuel savings. Downspeeding, in particular, enables the engine to operate at lower RPMs while maintaining torque, reducing fuel consumption and engine wear. Safety is another area where the HX15 excels. The engine is equipped with the Cummins engine brake, providing up to 600 braking horsepower. This feature enhances vehicle control, especially on downhill grades, and reduces reliance on service brakes, extending their lifespan. The HX15's adaptability is evident in its compatibility with various transmissions, including manual, automated manual, and automatic options. This flexibility allows operators to choose the drivetrain configuration that best suits their operational requirements. Looking ahead, Cummins continues to innovate, with the HX15 serving as a platform for future advancements. The company's HELM high-efficiency, low-emissions, multi-fuel platform aims to provide fuel-agnostic solutions, preparing the X15 for alternative fuels like natural gas and hydrogen, aligning with global sustainability goals. In conclusion, the Cummins X15 stands out as a versatile, reliable, and efficient engine choice for a wide range of heavy-duty applications. Its combination of power, durability, and advanced technology makes it a valuable asset for fleets aiming to optimize performance and reduce total cost of ownership. Thanks for tuning into our deep dive into the Cummins X15 engine. If you have experience with this engine or questions about its features, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't